Just imagine 3,000 years ago on this plaza, people would be gathered listening to their priests, telling them the message that was brought down from the gods. This site was ruled by priests as opposed to kings. So that's what makes this little site unique. When guests come here to Altonha, the first plaza that they step on, it was a ceremonial place. People go touching the stones, feeling a sense of being one with the Mayas. Some people come because it's of a spiritual thing to them. It is a very powerful feeling being here. Altonha, a small site, but a lot of riches.
Gene, what are you saying on? Fishing spider, I did. See that, Kim?
Oh, yeah.
Eddie, is it pointed straight at you?
Turn around. Okay, hold them here. Alright, ready. Go ahead.
Alright. No screaming this time.
Very good, man. Hold here with your left.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good.
Good. All right. Let it go.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys want, you can head up, and there's water up there. You can wait for us there. We'll meet you there. Okay. Yeah. Just take your time. Watch the steps going up. Don't need to be rushing. Like a pro. Well, here. Hang on, honey. Hang on. Don't rush yourself. I'll tell you when to pull yourself up. 1, 2, 3, up. Very good.
Comes Eddie.
All right.
Step to your left. No break.
Very good. On here. Pull yourself up.
Here comes Wolfie. Woo!
Very good, buddy.
Other hand up.
Over here and here. Let it go. Very good.
How's that?
Really fun.
All right, go wait with Brooke and Brio.
Or up.
Up.
Yeah, they already went up. All right.
Go slow.
Yeah, take your time.
Or just wait for us.
I'm a good breaker. I don't want to say that too soon.
1, 2, 3.